Today Sarva Dharma Sammelan we have conducted here. Of course, 10:30 I informed all the religious people, and because of I have got my own contact and other things. Within 4 hours, this big gathering arranged here, and all religious groups attended, and through their speeches also they were they are prepared to dedicate for the national cause, and in this attack, unethical, unwarranted, and without any moral justification, Pakistan is doing this against the people from all walks of life. They are prepared to extend their full support to our leadership for the nation, Narendra Modi ji and Amit Shah ji, and that is declared publicly here, and only religious persons are presenting, and this is program is a grand success, and for the unity of the nation, integrity of the nation, our protecting the sovereignty of the nation. These people all declared themselves in unequivocal terms. They declared that they are sacrificing. All these religions are prepared to sacrifice their energy and their life, everything for that cause. So this is a pledge taken, and separately all religions, their prayer also conducted for that purpose, in addition to their speech. And first time in India, the Rajbhavan is doing this. Traditional Bharatiya concept of their family and a husband and a lady who became fully pledged to the family because of the marriage, and this is Sindoor is there, and one Kerala person, he lost his life, and their family told me directly that, so you tell your husband, and you are sparing these people, these accused patients, guilty patients. This extremist told them, you tell under Narendra Modi that we have done it, and removing this from your forehead. That is why I think that is why this name Sindoor given. I am not sure about it. That is the only irresistible conclusion to be drawn on that way.